Today we eat vegetables.
Oggi mangiamo legumi.
We have two dishes
Abbiamo
for
due
beans and chickpeas.
piatti
The
per
ingredients for the beans are water, salt, oil, onion, and some tomatoes to give sweetness to the paste of the dish. For the chickpeas we have a fried of onions and tomatoes, water, salt, oil and chickpeas. In the ending phase a bit of parsley that is very tasty together with chickpeas. Both of them must be soaked for 12 hours, after which they must be drained and boiled. Before we prepared a fried of tomatoes and onions. And then we have boiled beans and chickpeas, of course in two different pots. After about 1 hour and a half with some salt and some oil, we have this result. It's one dish belonging to the ancient Sicilian tradition, very nutritive and very appreciated in Sicily in the past. The dish already so is ready. We must add just a tickle of oil. The vegetables and legumes are ready.
È un piatto dei tempi, abbastanza nutritivo, che in passato i nostri popoli proprio se ne servivano altamente, si nutrivano molto di queste. Il piatto già così è pronto, va soltanto servito con un filo d'olio fresco. Queste le nostre verdure, i nostri legumi così sono pronti. Buon appetito.